So we have a question: find the value of x if root 2 x plus root 2 equals to 1 over x minus 2. So we have options here. This is a short question. So in this case, let's take it step by step. Solution: we're going to say x root 2 over x plus root 2 is equal to 1 over x minus root 2. So here, what we're going to do first is cross multiply. This times this, cross multiply. In this case, we are going to have x plus root 2, this is times 1, is equal to x minus root 2. Here we have times root 2 here. So we have root 2 there. So next thing is to open the bracket. So we are opening the bracket. So we have x plus root 2 is equal to, so here we have x root 2 times x root 2 minus root 2 times root 2 is just 2, like root 2 times root 2 is root 2 times 2, which is root 4, which is 2, out of that. So in this case here, so here we have x plus root 2. So we are going to collect like terms, make x subject. So the x, this is going to cross to this way. We have x plus root 2x. This is going to be minus negative x root 2 is equal to minus 2 is going to cross to this way, minus root 2. So in this case, we'll then bring out the common factor. Here is x. So x is out. So here we have 1 minus root 2 is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. So therefore, if we make x subject, x is what? 1 minus 2 minus root 2 all over 1 minus root 2. So rationalize. Next thing you do is you rationalize. You multiply the both sides by 1 plus root 2 over 1 plus root 2. So in this case here, we'll then solve this up. So x is equal to minus 2 minus root 2 times 1 plus root 2 all over 1 minus root 2 1 plus root 2. So in this case, we'll open a bracket. We have minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 times this is minus 2 root 2. This times this is minus 2 root 2 times this is minus root 2. Minus times plus is minus. Note root 2 times root 2 is still 2 when we did earlier, all over. Start this 1 times 1 here is 1, is plus root 2, here is minus root 2, and here is minus 2. So we have 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times root 2 is root 2 plus root 2, minus root 2 times 1 is minus root 2, minus root 2 times plus root 2, minus times plus is minus, root 2 times root 2, like what we did earlier, is 2. So let's continue solving. So in this case here we have is equal to minus 2 is minus 4. Let's take it minus 2 is minus 4, and then here we have minus 2 here we have minus 4, here we have minus 4, then minus 2 root 2 minus root 2. So we can bring out the common factor here is let's take this first. So bring out the common factor root 2, open the bracket, bring out 2 from here, root 2 from here, we have minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 here we have minus 4. Okay, let's do it this way, divided by all over. Now for this one here, plus root 2 minus root 2. I think this is out. This is out. So we are left with 1 minus 2. So we have 1 minus 2 is minus 1. We have it like this. So minus 2 minus 1. So our final answer should be, so minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 root 2 minus 4 all over minus 1. So in this case here, let's write this now at the top here. Let's write this here. So we have our answer to be minus 3 root 2, then minus 4 divided by minus 1. So this answer. So we're going to bring out the common factor here. So negative, bring out negative from here. Bring out negative, put in the bracket 3 minus 2. If I'm bringing out negative from here, it will be positive 4 all over minus 1. We have, so that if you open the bracket, you're going to have negative 3 root 2. Here you're going to have negative 4. So we can now see minus cancel this minus. Our final answer is 3 root 2 plus 4. So that our option should be 3 root 2 plus 4. This one. That's it.